students, class 10 trigonometry. In this trigonometry we are going to see about the height and distance, how you have to find the height and distance of the objects without actual measurement using the triangles. Here we have the three subtopics, that is line of sight, angle of elevation and the angle of depressions. In case a man is standing here, right, an electrical pole, lamp post or electrical pole, whatever may be, the lamp post is here, the lamp is here, right? If the man can see that horizontally, means the man's sight should be like this. The man want to see the lamp, means then the focus, the high level will be observe the lamp like this, right? So this line we are seeing without any changes our heads or eyes. By the horizontal, we call this a horizontal line, right? When seeing the lamp, this is the line of sight. Line of sight. See, the angle inclined between the horizontal line and the line of sight, the angle is above the horizontal. Angle is above the horizontal is called angle of elevation. It is angle of elevation. The line should be horizontal, right? And then the line of sight in between the angle is above the horizontal line, Then we call this a angle of elevation, right? And then the same time, one dog is sitting near the lamp post. So imagine this is a dog, right? The boy is now seeing the dog, right? Now seeing the dog, I draw another diagram here to mention it clearly. Here the dog is sitting. The man's horizontal sight will be like this. This is called horizontal line. Now the man is seeing the dog. The dog is sitting under the lamppost. Now the line of sight is here, where we are seeing that particular distance is the line of sight. Now the angle inclined between the horizontal and the line of sight below the horizontal line, we call this a depression, angle of depression. So now we have clear that, see, when the man seeing without any changes of heads or eyes, we can see directly by the straight line, means that line is called a horizontal line, and then he has moved the sight to see the lamppost above the horizontal line. See, here eye is moving above the horizontal line, means then that angle is called angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means seeing above, right? Now this line is called line of sight, and at the same time the dog is sitting near the lamppost, right? The man is seeing the dog. The angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight is below the horizontal line. Seeing downward is called angle of depression. Then between this angle is called angle of depression. So here we are clearly using the right angle triangle. Here we are using the right angle triangle. The angle of depression and the angle of elevation we have find out how we are going to, which one is the angle of elevation and which one is the angle of depression. Now how we are going to find the height and distance means by using right angle triangle. By using only right angle triangle. In that right angle triangle, compulsory we need one angle, right? One angle and one side is known means we can able to find the height or distance of the particular objects. By using the right angle triangle, and applying the trigonometric ratios, we know the ratios sine, cos and tan. By using the right angle triangle and applying the trigonometric ratios to find the distance and height in this topics, right? We are going to find the distance and height in this topic. Here in generally they are using theodolite light to measure the angle between the object and the observer eyes. The angle between the object and the observer, by using the theodolite we can able to find. And then next one is clinometer is used to find the or measure the angle of elevation and depression, usually angle of elevation and depression. By using the clinometer we can able to measure the angle of elevation and depression, both the angles, right? Thank you, students.